And these would comprise the 80% of our dog diet. We are then going to go to a 10% bone content, or aim for a 10% bone content. And instead of calculating 10% every single day, I personally go week by week. So in any given week, I aim for 10% bone. Some dogs are good on 15% bone, some dogs are good on 7% bone or on 5% bone. This is why it's important that you tinker with your dog's bone content. Maybe 10% is too much for your dog, maybe 10% is not enough for your dog. Every single dog is different, and so you do have to tinker with this. We have poultry carcass, lamb, pork ribs, poultry wings, poultry necks, pig trotters, poultry legs, poultry feet, and we never cook or smoke these bones. We absolutely never cook these because, these can splinter, they can cause blockages. We do not want any expensive vet bills when we are raw feeding. We want to do this responsibly and we want to do this properly. So to avoid any salmonellas or to avoid any fearmongers, we want to do this correctly. Wipe down every single surface, make sure you are doing things correctly, make sure you are being a responsible raw feeder. We have chicken feet, we have, we can then derive bone broth if we have the extra time, or we can buy extra bone broth from your local pet shop, for example. Weight-bearing bones can chip teeth. Too much bone can cause constipation. Absolutely. If you feed your dog too much bone, that can cause constipation, or they can cause something a bit worse in the form of diarrhea. So it will depend on your dog's tolerance to bone. Now, bear in mind that if I give my dog an ostrich bone and it's just bone, that will differ than if I give my dog pork ribs, for example, or a chicken thigh,